Smart thermostats not responding to your voice commands can seriously mess with your day, but fixing it is usually easier than you think. First off, check if your thermostat is actually connected to your voice assistant like Alexa or Google Home. If it got disconnected, just reconnect it through the app, and that usually clears things up. Next, make sure your thermostat software is updated because outdated software can block voice commands from working right. Also, check your Wi-Fi connection since smart thermostats need a stable internet to listen and respond, so if your Wi-Fi is spotty, try restarting the router. Sometimes, just rebooting the thermostat itself can reset the connection and fix the issue. If the microphone on the thermostat has a mute button, double check it's not accidentally muted. When talking to your voice assistant, speak clearly and close enough for it to hear you without background noise messing things up. Lastly, review the voice assistant app settings to confirm that voice control permissions are enabled for your thermostat. One of the biggest mistakes people make with smart thermostats not responding to voice commands is ignoring software updates, which can cause compatibility problems. Keep everything current. Another common issue is weak Wi-Fi signal or network interruptions. Boosting your Wi-Fi or moving your router closer helps a lot. The third problem is assuming the thermostat's microphone is always on. Sometimes it's muted by accident, so double check that before troubleshooting anything else. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for projects like fixing smart home devices or any home upgrade. It also helps contractors get connected with real customers looking for their expertise, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.